In this video, I want to show you how to connect wallet to your TapSwap for fast withdrawal. You now go to your Play Store or App Store. You can write Solana wallet. Solana wallet. After you write it, now you click search. After you search, you now click on this Solfair Solana wallet. Then after you click on Solfair Solana wallet, open like this. Now click on open. You now click on open. After you tap open like this, they'll ask you to sign up. Because I've already signed up, that is why my own look like this. So on the process of signing up, they'll give you 12 paraphrase. That paraphrase, you screenshot it and write it down, hide it, because that is your key. So after you sign up, you now can go back to your TapSwap. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. After you come back to TapSwap, you click on task. When you click on task, then you click on connect Solana wallet. You click on connect Solana wallet. After you click on connect Solana wallet, then you now click on open. So it's now opening. Okay, so you now can click on connect. You now click on connect. So after clicking on connect like this, it will redirect you to your Solana wallet. So when you reach Solana wallet like this, so you see a place that they'll ask you to connect. You click on that connect. Then after you click on that connect, you see a place that they'll ask you to sign. So you click on that sign. At the end, there will be down below. There will be a place that they ask you to slide. After you slide, then you have successfully connect your Solana wallet address to your TapSwap. So if you didn't understand this, if you didn't understand any step, you can still come back and rewatch this video so that you understand it perfectly. Thank you.